Welcome back. In this section, we'll study the action class. Let's understand the rationale of action class. In most of the web page, we'll have like dynamic menus, like you see here, which has like sub menus. If I click on store, you'll see a different menu, sub menu covering. But that comes only if I move my mouse over to the store button. If I move it out, the menu doesn't come. So now, how to handle such a case in Selenium? You know, that's where the action class comes in picture, and let's see it. So, so yeah, I've written the code which says, the first step is okay, go to the page. So I'm going to this particular page, advanced menu. So, driver.get will reach that page. The second step here is, I have to find the main menu button. So, I click on the store. I say right click, inspect element. So I can see like, okay, this is a unique element with the class as the drop button. So, I can say like driver dot find element by the class name drop element. So I have the element with me, web element object with me. Now we make use of our action class. So the way to use it is just create a new instance, specify a driver, and then it provides a different API like move to element. The move to element says like we move the mouse to the middle of the element. So now the reason we are doing it is we want a sub menu to be visible. So so, so, so that's what we are doing. Okay, the builder dot move to element specify the main menu store, which is a web element, and it requires you to specify like dot build dot perform. The idea here is you can specify multiple different actions here, and then in the last you can say dot build dot perform. If you don't specify dot build dot perform, it will not execute those section, and that's the idea. And the reason it does it is it wants the idea is like in this action class you will have like multiple different steps involved. Do this, do this, do this, and then you know uh, then perform all of these three in a sequence together. So that's the idea. So once you click on the menu, so what's the next step? Let's see. So once I click on this menu, then my goal here is to find this element. Now this element I can see now it's a straightforward like HTML link with the link text TV, right? So I can just say I create a new action class, new action object, and say like move to element driver or find element by or link TV dot click dot build dot perform. Now if you see, I have two step here. First move to element and dot click, and to perform this in the same action. I don't want my mouse to move somewhere else and my submenu get lost. So that's the idea. Say okay, have this and then perform click and then the build dot perform. So it will go and click the TV, and rest is the same. So let's run it and see. So you can see it went and clicked the menu. That's it.